Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Geometric series problems look intimidating, but we can solve this one quickly by identifying the common ratio and applying the standard convergence test for infinite series. The series is a geometric series where each term is raised to the power of k. We identify the common ratio r as the natural log of x. Let's go. A geometric series converges if and only if the absolute value of the common ratio is strictly less than 1. We set up this inequality for our ratio. Watch this. Expand the absolute value inequality to find the bounds for the natural log, then exponentiate to solve for x. This gives us the final interval. That makes option C correct. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the trap of ignoring the domain and always ensure the ratio is below 1.